In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can remove negative sign from your data. So let's start. Here you can see that we have some data with negative sign. We just need to remove this negative sign. We can do it in several ways, but we are going to remove this way. So let's start here. Enter equal, then write ABS, which means absolute value, tab, then select your number and close the bracket, then enter. Here you can see your negative sign has been removed. You can drag it to last to see the same thing on your existing data. And we can do another thing, which is you just need to enter and then enter your cell data, just multiply with -1 and enter. You can see the same thing happened. This is the way you can easily remove your negative sign from your data. Hope that you like this video. Thank you.